Hi, good morning children. Today I am going to explain the grammar part. Grammar part of poem 3. Are you all ready? Get ready with the textbooks. Pause the video. Get the textbook. Open page number 24. Then again you pause the video. Play the video, okay? What do you see in page number 24? I can see two trees. I can see here two trees and there is a boy under a tree playing and picture one. I will talk about picture one. If you have a textbook you can open and you can check. 1 minute. Yes. What can we see in picture one? We can see very clearly some pumpkin, some vegetables, honey, medicine, mangoes. Can you see mangoes here? Mangoes, nest, so many fruits, and a boy is taking oxygen. Can you see that? That the air is coming from the tree. And in the second picture, observe everyone. The tree is crying fire. Fire in the tree, firewood, tire, some birds, and especially eagle. There are so many birds, and the tree is crying. Picture 2. Picture 1 is very happy. It's giving fruits, vegetables, and giving oxygen to. Very happy. Okay. Look at the picture 1. Write 3 sentences on what the tree uses. We have to write only 3. We can write so many, as we can see so many things in the picture. We have to write 3 things. That means 3 sentences we have to frame about any 3 things. Okay. Trees uses oxygen to breathe. First one is trees gives us oxygen to breathe. You can see oxygen here. And trees gives us herbs to make medicine. Medicine. What? Trees gives us herbs to make medicines. Next. Third one. Trees gives us timber. Trees gives us fruits. Trees gives us vegetables. You can write off your what? Any 3 is enough. Okay. Next. For the next one. For the next picture, textbook only, that paper is not there, that's why I am taking this book. Okay, open page number 25. Okay, now look at the picture 2. Write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. On how we harm the trees. Just think of your own. I'll give you 1 minute. Think of your own. What it is harm to the trees. Just think once. Did you think? Okay. Human beings, what we are doing, we are cutting trees for constructing buildings. Correct? And next. If you cut the trees or if you take out the leaves or branches or anything, birds will not come to the normal, a tree is without leaves, birds will come? No, will not come, because actually birds come to make the nest or to take some rest for shelter, correct? If there is no leaves, we are cutting, then we are cutting the branches, birds will come? No. Next. Human beings cut the bark of the tree, not a single bird comes to sit on the tree's branches. Next. People burn the bark and branches and pollute the environment. We are cutting the trees and we are using for some other reasons, for burn the bark and branches and pollute the environment. We are polluting the environment. It's really bad, right? Okay, open the next one. You imagine, I think your EVS madam or your EVS teacher might have told you about a plant. Plant has so many parts, right? Let's start from the down. That means from roots, and what's next? Roots. Okay, simply tell me a few parts. Roots, stems, branches, and what else? Leaves, and think. Stem, bark, bark means the brownish part, mostly for the big trees we can observe. Some part is coming out, the brownish part comes out, even that part is used in the cooking also. Chakka. In lavanga chakka is there, no? The chakka is what? That is bark, brownish part. Bark, leaves, branches, twigs. Twigs are the thinnest and weakened parts. Even you take curry leaves also, at the up of the tree we can see the twigs. And shoot, the uppermost part of the plant above the soil is called shoot. Stem. We have to write one sentence for each word. Stem. It helps in making the trees stand straight. Bark. It is brown in color. I already told you. It is in which color? It is brown in color. Bark. Colored part present in the stem. Present on the stem. Leaves. This part makes food in the plant. Branches. Birds make their nest on them. Especially in the branches only, the birds make their nest. Twigs. I told you. These are the thin, weak branches. Thin, weak branches. Root. These are like threads. I told you. We already know what is root, correct? Threads under the earth. Shoot. The uppermost part of the plant above the soil. The uppermost part of the plant above the soil is called shoot. Okay. Shoot, root, twigs, branches, leaves, bark, stem. You can write your one sentence for each word. Okay. Otherwise, whatever I told, that also you can write. Stem. It helps in making the trees stand straight. Bark. It is a brown colored part present on the stem. Leaves. This part makes food in the plant. Branches. Birds make their nest on them. Twigs. These are the thin, weak branches. Root. These are like threads under the earth. Shoot. The uppermost part of the plant above the soil. Understood? It's all about the trees. It is all about the trees. We have written some good things about the trees and some bad, and now each and every part of the tree we have written here: stem, bark, leaves, branches, twigs, root, shoot. You can write up your own also. Okay. If you know more as a science student, if you know something new also, you can add to that parts. Okay. Next, matching. Write the opposites. Here are some words and the opposites are next side, correct? Downward, opposite, upward. Slow, fast, opposites. Little, big. Slender. Slender means thin, okay? Thin opposite, fat. Mighty, mighty means strong. Opposite, weak. Day, opposite, night. These are the opposites you can do easily. Otherwise, there is a trick. First of all, whatever you know, do it easily. Then automatically we can do the other things. Okay, other parts. Next, that's it. It is over. Now what you have to do? Just learn these and get ready. And one more thing I want to tell you: don't put any incomplete, especially CW. Okay. If you put any incomplete, what happens? You will not be get ready for the exams. I told you at the end of the August you will be having exam. Then what will you do? Textbook part you can write of your own, but CW part it is very hard to write. That's why don't put any incomplete. Complete the incompletes. Okay? Be happy. Don't put any incomplete, especially CW. Okay? Bye bye. Be happy.